Hello friends, hi, this is 2021. I hope many of you have made up your resolutions and have started working on it. And I'm very sure many of you have hold yourself back now and backed up your resolution again to be opened up in the December 2021 so that it becomes a resolution for 2022. So guys, today we are going to talk about this magic of resolutions, how to make the resolution and how to fulfill it, how to complete the resolution. Many a times it happens that we make a resolution at the end of the December thinking what we could not achieve in that particular year or what we want to achieve in the next year. In few days, when we start up very enthusiastically to complete the resolution or start with it, within 10-15 days we fall short, and somewhere due to non-availability of time or different work consistencies, priorities, we actually fall short and we hold ourselves back. Due to this, our resolutions are not fulfilled. And again, for the next year, we keep on rotating the same resolutions again and again. Guys, today I'm going to discuss with you how we are going to fulfill our resolutions for 2021. So stay tuned. My name is Shirish and you're watching Insights with me, Shirish. I do not understand the logic why the resolutions are always made annually. See, resolutions are the goals that we want to achieve. Resolution is something you want to do in the coming future. So plan it as and when possible. Now that we are talking about the annual resolutions, let us see how are we going to fulfill it. When we make any type of resolution, it is very important that we understand that what is that we are really looking up to. The favorite annual resolutions of people are joining a gym, working out, or getting up early in the morning, or taking care of their diet, or starting to study for students who are in academics, they want to study, and many more. So how do we find out a way to achieve this? So guys, let us first understand what is your resolution. First, gym. If you want to join a gym, now what is the ultimate goal that you're looking for? You're looking for physical fitness. If you're not a gym person or if you have not done gym earlier, probably in the first 5 days or in the first week, you may feel a bit tired, and ultimately your body ache will not allow you to go to the gym next day. So guys, whenever you're planning for any type of fitness, start with the smaller goals. Break down your goal into smaller goals so that it becomes easy for you to achieve. You can start with a simple walk. Start with 15-20 minutes of walk. Then you can extend the time as it is possible for you. Make it half an hour, make it 45 minutes. Your walking may further turn into jogging, and your jogging may further turn into vigorous exercise. All of a sudden, when your body is not in the motion, exploring the harsh exercises would not be beneficial for you. That is the reason that we actually stop fulfilling the resolutions. Second is, if you're really thinking of physical fitness and if you're not able to work out daily because of n number of reasons, maybe your office, maybe your priorities, your studies, your college, or any other work, what you can do is you can join different activities which are related to somehow a physical activity. You can join swimming, you can join jogging, you can do something like aerobics, zumba, dance, something which actually keeps you active and physically moves you. Suppose you are having a resolution of reading every day. Getting into a habit of reading is not difficult. For the person who is doing it for the first time, yes, it is a bit challenging. So rather than starting with a novel directly, you can start with reading a page daily. Reading a page daily is not difficult. You can set up a time, maybe early in the morning or in the evening before you sleep. So, as you start reading, you become comfortable with the habit, you keep the consistency, and automatically you increase the number of pages. This consistency converts your reading into a habit, and ultimately, after 15-20 days, you will realize that you have actually finished a book. So guys, if you want to keep reading as your habit, this is the minimum criteria that you can keep. You can lessen the number of pages that you can read. And no matter how late it is, or if you do not have time, still you can easily manage reading 1 to 2 pages. So keep your goal to 2 pages at least. If you are thinking of studying, then again the same thing. You cannot start with all topics all of a sudden. You need to again break it down, have smaller goals, start with the subjects which are easy or which are difficult for you, make some criteria and work out on it. For the people who are having resolutions of getting up early in the morning, if it is really challenging for you, then never make a resolution in this way. What you can do here is make a resolution that you are going to sleep early every day. Sleeping early every day at some moment of time over a period of suppose 5 days or 10 days, your sleep will be completed and your body automatically starts helping you getting up early in the morning. So always make a resolution or always take a goal which would push you to completion of your resolution. Rather than making a resolution of getting up early in the morning, what you can do is you can set up a resolution wherein you sleep early in the evening and automatically your eyes open up early in the morning. So you have your goal is achieved. Those who are thinking of starting with yoga, again starting with yoga immediately would not be easy for you. So you can either join some of the classes where you have a trainer, or you can do something like a regular practice of something that you are comfortable with. So you can start with pranayam or you can start with Surya Namaskar. Now it is again difficult if you say that you are going to do pranayam for 20 minutes or 25 minutes. In the very beginning, it is a big challenge. Or doing Surya Namaskars, 10 Surya Namaskars are also a big challenge. So for the people who are doing it for the first time, you can keep again the minimum criteria of doing pranayam for 2 minutes only. You can keep a criteria of doing Surya Namaskar, minimum 5 Surya Namaskars every day, and over a period of time, as you get into an habit, you can extend it as and when it is possible for you. 2 minutes of pranayam and 5 Surya Namaskars is not a big deal. You finish it within 2 to 3 minutes, and automatically when your body gets into it, you may extend it, and at the end of some duration or period, you will find that you are ending up doing pranayam for 30 minutes or more and 15 to 20 Surya Namaskars daily. So you are ultimately getting fit. This way of breaking down your goals into smaller habits is called as mini habits, and mini habit is a concept which helps you in consistency. It keeps your consistency and it automatically makes it as your habit. When you get into an habit of doing it, the activity, no matter how busy you are, you find out a way of doing it on the minimum criteria, and ultimately you would definitely find out a time of doing it as long as an hour as and when possible for you. It is very easy to convert the mini version of anything into a bigger version, but for that your mini version has to be in place. If at all you are not finding time and you are really running on the schedules, then no issues. If you just look back within the workout for 10 to 15 days, you will find that you have achieved that mini habit or the mini goal of doing or achieving something. You are not at loss. If any of you are really planning of cleaning up your house or cleaning your room, you cannot do it again in one entire day. So rather than doing it, if you start from cleaning up your desk, cleaning up your bed or something like that, you again get into an habit of doing this cleaning activity at least for the first 10 minutes of the day, and automatically within a day or two you will realize that you have cleaned the room. So rather than getting the entire burden and doing the room all upside down, what you can do is again set a goal of cleaning the room in a smaller goals, cleaning the room in such a way that when you finished your desk, you feel motivated, you feel enthusiastic, and if you have time, you can shift to the bed. If you do not have time, definitely you can do it on the other day. So having smaller goals helps you keeping in habit, and ultimately the consistency increases, you get motivated, you feel enthusiastic, and you achieve the goal that you're looking for. This mini habits in long run definitely help you to achieve your goals, and they are really helpful in long runs. Newton's first law says that the object in motion always remain in motion and the object in rest always remains in rest. So guys, let us be the object who is in motion. Try with the minimum possible criteria of your resolution or the activity that you want to do. Break down your activity, understand your ultimate goal. If you want to go for gym, that is that you want to go for fitness. If you want to complete a book, it means you want to gain knowledge. Please understand the idea of doing the activity. Break down into different smaller goals and try and achieve it on daily basis. If you break down this into mini habits, it becomes your day-to-day habit. It keeps consistency of your workout and it helps you to achieve the goal in long run. So make this mini habits as a practice, and let us be an object which is in motion and not the object which is in rest. Because once you lose hope, once you hold back your resolution, again you are one who is going to not do it for the entire year, waste the entire year, and again have the same baggage of resolutions for the next year. So rather than having the resolutions for the next year, let us open us the bag again and get back to work. Break down your goals, break down your resolution, make smaller goals, try and achieve them. Be the object which is not at rest but is moving. Guys, I hope you liked my video, you liked my inputs, and this will definitely help you to complete your resolution or achieve something that you are looking for. If you have liked my video, do like it and subscribe the channel. Share it with the people who are somehow not able to attain their resolution or achieve the goals that they are looking for. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.